Okay, now this sum you see that f defined here when x less than 0 1 minus cos 4x by x square, when x equal to 0 a and x greater than 0 one more function given here root x by root over 16 plus root x minus 4. Now the question is for what value of a the function is continuous. Same way we will do, but here finding limits only important. You should know how to find the limits of this one. Now you see that again you draw the number line, breaking point is 0, this is left side to 0 and that is right side to 0. Left side, right side only, no? Okay. Now left side to a, left side to 0, 1 minus cos 4x by x square. So this one we have to use for LHL, this one you have to use for all HL. LHL at x equal to 0 equal to limit 1 minus cos 4x by x square, x tends to 0. So here how to find the limit? For this trigonometric formulas are very important. You see that one formula I will give that 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. This is the formula. This came from cos 2x formula. Here when x is there, half of that one we have to take x by 2. When it is 2x is there, you have to take x only, half of 2x. When it is 4x, you have to take 2x. Remember that. That's why it is limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos 4x is 2 sin square. How much I have to write? 2x by x square. So this is 2 into limit x tends to 0 sin 2x by x whole square. Now this limit already we know that sin ax by x limit is a. So this is 2 only. 2 into 2 square, that is 8. This is the LHS. See, the function is given continuous. We have to check that. We have to find that for what value of a it is continuous. LHL is 8. Function value is a equal to 8. Half of the thing confirmed. But we have to see the RHL also. That also 8 comes. We will decide that a equal to 8. Suppose in any case this is not 8, some other thing comes. We will tell that for no value of a it is continuous. But you have to do this one correct. By doing mistake, if you get anything other thing, you should not write for no value of a it is continuous like that. Correctly we have to do that. RHL I am doing equal to limit x tends to 0. What is the RHL function? Root x by root over 16 minus root x.
16 plus root x.
16 plus root x minus 4. Put x equal to 0. This will be 0. When it is 0, root 16 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 by 0 indeterminate form comes. So what we have to do? One important thing, whenever root over thing is there, 0 by 0 form is there, you go for what? Rationalization. So here rationalize the denominator. Root x by root 16 plus root x minus 4 into root 16 plus root x plus 4 by, you know the rationalizing factor now, only sign we have to change here. Root 16 plus root x plus 4. Now you see, I want to exist here only. We will see that, otherwise I will drop this one. Limit x tends to 0, root x into root over 16 plus root x plus 4 by denominator a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. What is a? 16 plus root x under root. What is b? 4 is root x into root over 16 plus root x plus 4 by when you square the root of thing, that first root will be cancelled. It is 16 plus root x minus 4 square is 16. 16 gets cancelled. Next step, root x into something by root x. That root x also cancel. But here we should not forget to write limit x tends to 0. So next step, root x get cancelled. Put x equal to 0. Root 16 plus 0, root 16, that is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. What is your LHL?
8.
What is RHL we got?
8.
8. So, to make it continuous, LHL equal to RHL equal to f of A should be there. F of 0 should be there here. So, LHL is 8, RHL is 8, and this is A. Therefore, A equal to 8. So, what is your conclusion? For the A value 8, the function is continuous. Every time you write the conclusion. F is continuous for A equal to 8. That much only. Now, you see this sum. The function defined for x greater than 1, x equal to 1, x less than 1. Generally, LHL means first function. Function value means middle one. RHL means third one we will take in general. But that is not correct. We have to observe that. Greater than 1 given here, less than 1 given here. So LHL we have to take this one. RHL we have to take this one. Even if you reverse it, answer will come, but marks you won't get. That will be wrong. So better to draw the number line. I will draw the number line. You see here. 1 breaking point. Less than x less than 1 means this one you have to write 5ax minus 2b. X greater than 1, that one you write 3ax plus b. When x equal to 1, function value is 11. This is equal to symbol reversely I have written. Okay, that is 11. Okay, now LHL, very simple. LHL at x equal to 1 equal to limit. What is the function LHL left hand side? 5ax minus 2b. Very simple. When you put x equal to 1, 5a minus 2b. Then some students, what they are doing, LHL means with x they are writing. So they remembered something. LHL means 5ax minus 2b. RHL means 3ax minus plus b. X they are not substituting x equal to 1. Then they won't get the marks. And later they will get confused also how to remove that x. Only AB values we have to find. So here 5a minus 2b. RHL at x equal to 1 equal to limit x tends to 1. RHL is 3ax plus b. 3ax plus b. When you put x equal to 1, this is 3a plus b. And function value is 11. Now you see, function value is equal to both LHL and RHL also. Better to take this is 11, this is 11. Some students, these two are there equating. Another equation will come, not necessary. You take that since f is continuous at x equal to 1, LHL at x equal to 1 equal to RHL at x equal to 1 equal to f of 1. So 5a minus 2b equal to 11, 3a plus b equal to 11. These two equations now we will solve. Now, how to solve? Here, this equation with 3, this equation with 5, you can multiply and you can subtract. Otherwise, second equation you multiply with the b, what will happen? First equation don't change. 5a minus 2b equal to 11. Second equation, throughout the equation you multiply by 2. 6a plus 2b equal to 22. Add these two, automatically b will be cancelled, 2b. This is 11a, 5a plus 6a equal to 33. Therefore, a equal to 3. Put a equal to 3, any one of these equations. I will select this equation. 3a plus b equal to 11. But a is 3. 9 plus b equal to 11. This is 9. So, b equal to 11 minus 9. That is 2. Therefore, A equal to 3 and B equal to 2.